hairs that we can use as food to survive, as materials for self-care and aesthetics, and as materials that are beneficial to our bodies. Chaim Shear, aged 87, understood the great potential inherent in nature and vegetation and started preparing hair care products as early as 1943. That was when Chaim Shear learned the art of preparing shampoo out of oil and soap flakes. The oil was olive oil. He used an ancient traditional production method originating in Nablus and Old Jerusalem. All the vast knowledge that Chaim Shear had accumulated, he passed on to his son Yitzchak and his grandson Chaim. And in 1992, they founded Vitamins Hair Company.
Women say their hair is important to their overall well-being. So don't worry, Big Kizzy's going to show you how to get your hair healthy, shiny, and looking flawless. Meet Therapy. She's the best little in your damaged, dry, overprocessed hair. She's vegan and super concentrated, which means a little goes a long way. And the best part? She's only 4 ingredients: argan, marula, coconut oil, and an essential oil for a subtle, pleasant scent. No cheap fillers or silicone in our product. So while you're in the shower, use your favorite conditioner. Then you're going to add the recommended amount of Therapy. Next, mix together and distribute mid to ends. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse, style, and slay. Remember, having healthy, beautiful hair
Magic.